Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Todo App video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we are going to create our input field and button to save or create our to-do. There will be one um, text input field and a button. So let's start. First of all, we will use here grid system. You can say it like in Bootstrap. Same, there is also container and grid system. Just go to your material UI. Okay, I'm going from beginning start and get start, and in components you will find from here grid, or just simply search grid, and I'll take the grid and all this imports I'm going to copy and paste here. React, of course we need React, and before I didn't import styles. Okay, paper, we didn't actually use here paper, it's better. And let's import from core. Okay, next step, I'm going to copy the grid from here in material UI, and one more thing, let's also take our styles. Styles default is coming. I will show you what is the purpose to use this grid after run this in our project. Paper, sorry, I'm going to remove paper. Stamp typing the input, type text, just save, and let's see what happened in here in our browser. We have here one input field. Here you can see. If I make minimize, sorry, there's decrease the size, it's full responsive, but more it will be clear, like for extra small 10 and small 10, medium I'm keeping here, let's say 6, and large as well 6. Just file this, make it center. Sorry, justify, let's make our whole grid, not only this. I can say it's coming here in the center, but not exactly center. Why? Because we take here as a medium and a large 6, and in our extra small and small, this grid it's in 10. Let's see, so fully responsive. And next step we're using here, we'll use input from our material UI. So let's go to material UI and search here text field, and we have to import text field first. I'm going to import text field, and next step if you see in last, here's a demos, and let's go to text field. Here's a bunch of demo available, any kind of it you want to use. I'm going directly in sizes, and we'll keep this small. Code, and find this one, copy, and inside our grid paste it, save. If I go to browser, it is available now. Perfect. And next step, we need here a button. Before, I'm going to replace this placeholder, size small, variant outline, okay, default, create to do, and the label, which is like you can say it's placeholder. Instead of size, I will take care create to do. Even remove this default value. Actually, this is default value like a value, but this label like a placeholder. If I save, even remove this one, save, let's go. Now here is a create to do. It's coming because of our label. Next step, we need here button. For button, go to material UI and search about button. Keep this default button, and paste. We have to import this button as well. Save. Now you can see here the button is coming also. One more thing, for our grid, we make here use styles, and we didn't use the classes, so it's better if I delete classes, sorry, this style. I'm also going to delete this one. So perfect, we have here our text input feed and button, and let's make it a little bit down. For this one, I'm going to create a class, and first let's pass here the class name and app grid. Go to your app.css here, margin top 30 pixels, make it important, and also margin bottom 30 pixels, important. Save. If we go back, you can see here it's coming correctly. And I think let's make it more, reduce our size, or it's better if we open as well our browser here. That's more better. Now let's change this, instead of 6, 4, and small, make it 8, 10 as well, 8, sorry, this XS as well, 8, and we need here a little bit margin from left side. So in button, I'm going to pass here a class, app submit btn. It's button. Just copy and go back to app.css. Here margin left, there 12 pixels, and let's make a little bit the background color more dark. Background color, no, it's perfect. One more thing, here it's a white, let's make it a little bit gray, the background. For this one we have to go in index.css, and here in body I'm passing here background color. Let's make it change. Perfect. So RGB color 244 I choose randomly. Okay, here after this, the next step we need, when we type something here, it will store in some specific variable, you can say. So I'm going back in app.js, and here I'm going to import a hook is use state, and const input and set input. Yeah, so you're using a hook, use state, and input is string. Here I'm going to pass. So first of all, copy this input and go to your text field as a value, pass here input, and on change we are going to here update or set our value into input. Set input, then e dot target dot value. Save it. That's it. When we type here something, it will store in here in input field, and it's appear as a value here. Let's check console dot log. Your input value is input. Save. I'm going back to browser. One time just reload and open inspect element, and I'm going to console. Your input value is nothing here. If I start here, type H, you can see here it's H coming. Next E here. Now we are catch this input value and store a variable and pass it into here in our text field as a value. If I remove this one from here, and if I type anything here, reload, it's coming, and sorry, not value. If I remove this set, because we are setting we set this value here, and if I type, nothing happened because we pass here empty string value here, and we are not updating or passing some value. So that's why we are not able to type anything here in our text input field. So for that's for this tutorial, where we design. You can just pass our we design our input field and button. Sorry, let's change the button name. Save. We create an input field and a button, and we take one hook, use state, and there we pass our input and set input, where we store our input in input variable, which we will use in next video tutorial. So that's all this tutorial. See you in next one.